Good day, everyone. I'm Adel Karingastinga.
I am Mara Verdejo. We created this vlog about 17 SDGs to spread awareness
And educate viewers and inspire action that can motivate people to participate in activities that support the communities and environment. SDG 1. No poverty. Write a blog. In my blog, I wrote my ideas that I believe can solve the cyclic nature of poverty. SDG 2. Zero hunger. Read a book on hunger. A greater understanding of its causes will better prepare to make a difference. The idea I learned will help me make better decisions for a brighter future. SDG 3. Good health and well-being. Make time for yourself or with your friends. Ensure to have a time with friends and yourself rather than wasting your time on unhealthy doings. SDG 4. Quality education. Encourage your nephew to read 2 or more pages every day to boost their reading skills and to learn more even on vacation time. SDG 5. Gender equality. Gender equality starts as family, friends, and even on ministry. Same level of treatment without looking on someone's identity and learn to respect who they are. SDG 6. Clean water and sanitation. Conserve water. After drinking, the ice cubes were left over in the glass. Later, these ice cubes melted into water. To practice conservation, I pour the water into the plants. This way shows that clean water is not wasted. SDG 7. Affordable and clean energy. Turn off the computer and the lights if unused, because I can save energy by turning off my computer and the lights even for a few seconds. SDG 8. Decent work and economic growth. Start a small sideline or business at home to cover some of your financial needs and practice yourself to find a clean money and decent work for the future. SDG 9. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Do not throw old gadget. Give it to someone to practice their use principle. SDG 10. Reduce inequalities. Write a blog about reducing inequalities to stop the stereotype ideas. Because there's a saying, pen is mightier than the sword. SDG 11. Sustainable cities and communities. Use to commute a public transportation wherever you go to help lessen the traffic and helps the environment from pollution. SDG 12. Responsible consumption and production. Support the local business and recycle so that I can take part of sustainable production. SDG 13. Climate action. Walk. Walking is a natural way of preserving the climate because no harmful pollutants are released. SDG 14. Life below water. Watching educational videos. Educational videos can provide key ideas and meaningful concepts that I can use to support the programs and initiative for the marine life. SDG 15. Life on land. Join a tree planting or plant a native tree or endangered species of tree or local fruit on vacant area to help the environment produce clean air. SDG 16. Peace, justice, and strong institution. Promote peace in order during election. Attending orientation seminar on Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting or PPCRV as a volunteer. This happened last 24 to 25 of April at Immaculate Conception Parish Formation Center. SDG 17 Partnership for Goals. Joining on church group doing outreach program at Sitio Palanugan, Malitbog, Bukidnon. This happened last May 1, 2026 during the Labor Day with the Bukidnon Seminarian Ken Pilahe, a graduating theologian student.
What I learned from the activity is that practicing the 17 SDGs in everyday life is important to make our world a better place. The action that had greatest impact on me was writing against stereotypes because it made me realize how words can challenge bias, shape perspective, and promote equality in society. So I encourage everyone to take part in achieving the sustainable development goals. You do not need power, influence, or money to make a difference. Even small, simple, and consistent actions, when done collectively and continuously, can create a meaningful impact in transforming our world. Together, we can build a better future for all. That's all. Thank you.
What I have learned from this activity is that we can contribute to our economy, community, and our environment by the every action that 17's SDGs provide. And the action that had the greatest impact on me is on doing the outreach program with a church group because it strengthened my faith and my love to everyone by giving what we have without asking for return on others that have only give us love and warmth in our heart. So for me, 17 SDGs is the best way or guidelines to act a piece of contribution in our economy, community, and in our environment. Because you don't need any position, power, or even wealth to serve and make good deeds for others and for yourself. Just you and yourself to do what you can do and to do what is needed to do. So that's all, and thank you.